this new Cursor 2.0 update just dropped, and it's absolutely wild. I'm talking about features that are going to change how you code forever. The new AI models they added are insanely powerful. You can now do things in Cursor that were literally impossible before. I've been testing this for the past few days and my jaw is on the floor. This is the biggest update Cursor has ever released. If you're not using Cursor yet, you're missing out on serious money. And if you are using it, this update is about to 10 times your speed. I'm going to show you every single feature that matters. Let's get into it. Hey, if we haven't met already, I'm the digital avatar of Julian Goldie, CEO of SEO agency Goldie Agency. Whilst he's helping clients get more leads and customers, I'm here to help you get the latest AI updates. Julian Goldie reads every comment, so make sure you comment below. Cursor just released version 2.0, and this is massive. I've been using Cursor for months, and this update changes everything. First thing, they added Claude Sonnet 4.5. This is Anthropic's newest model, and it's stupid good at coding. The code it writes is cleaner, it understands context way better, and it makes fewer mistakes. When you're building apps or websites or automation, you want code that works the first time. Claude Sonnet 4.5 gets it right way more often. That means you build faster, you ship faster, you make money faster. They also added OpenAI's O1 model. Now, O1 is different. It's built for reasoning. It thinks through problems step by step. So when you have a really complex coding challenge, O1 breaks it down and solves it like a senior developer would. I tested this with a tricky bug in one of my projects. The bug had been sitting there for days. I threw it at O1 in Cursor, and it figured it out in like 2 minutes. Now, here's where it gets even better. Cursor 2.0 has this new feature called Composer Agent Mode. This is nuts. Instead of just writing code for you, Cursor can now plan out entire features. It thinks about the architecture, it considers edge cases, it writes multiple files at once. Say you want to add a payment system to your app. Before, you'd have to prompt Cursor for each piece: the front-end form, the back-end API, the database schema, the error handling. With Composer Agent Mode, you just tell it what you want, add Stripe payments, and it goes off and builds the whole thing. Creates all the files, wires everything together, it handles the edge cases. I use this to build out a lead generation system for one of my clients, something that would have taken my team a week. Composer Agent Mode did it in a few hours, and the code quality was solid. They improved the context window. This means Cursor can now read and understand way more of your code base at once. Before, if you had a big project, Cursor might miss some connections between files. Now it sees the whole picture. This is huge for anyone working on real projects. Another thing they added is better terminal integration. You can now run commands directly from Cursor, and it understands the output. So if something breaks, it sees the error and can fix it automatically. I was setting up a new project the other day and kept hitting dependency issues. Cursor just read the errors from the terminal and fixed them, installed the right packages, updated the config files. Done. They also made the AI way faster. When you're coding, speed matters. You don't want to sit there waiting for the AI to think. Cursor 2.0 responds almost instantly now. Now, let me tell you about the multi-file editing. You can now select multiple files and have the AI edit all of them at once while keeping everything consistent. Say you're renaming a function. That function is used in 10 different files. Now you just tell Cursor to rename it and it updates everything correctly, checks all the references, makes sure nothing breaks. They also improved the chat. The AI can now remember more of your conversation. So you're not constantly repeating yourself. It remembers what you're building. It remembers your preferences. All right, quick pause here because I want to tell you about something that's going to help you take all of this to the next level. If you want to scale your business, get more customers, and save hundreds of hours with AI automation, you need to check out my AI Profit Boardroom. This is where I share the exact systems my agency uses to generate leads and close clients using AI. We're talking proven frameworks, not theory. The link is in the description. Trust me, if you're serious about making money with AI, this is where you need to be. Back to Cursor 2.0. They added this thing where Cursor can now analyze your code and find potential bugs before they happen. It looks for common mistakes, memory leaks, security issues, performance problems. I ran this on one of my older projects just to test it. Cursor found like 15 issues I didn't even know were there. Some were small, but a few were actually serious. Another cool feature is the improved code generation from comments. You write a comment describing what you want and Cursor writes the code. I was building out a data scraper the other day, just wrote comments describing each step. Cursor turned those comments into a fully working scraper with error handling, with retry logic, with data validation, all from comments. They also added better support for more programming languages, Python, JavaScript, TypeScript, Go, Rust, you name it, and it understands the best practices for each language. Now let's talk about something that's going to save you a ton of money. Cursor 2.0 makes it way easier to build MVPs. With Composer Agent Mode, you can build an MVP in a day, maybe even a few hours. I've been testing this with different project ideas, built a SaaS landing page with payment integration in 3 hours, built a Chrome extension in 2 hours, built an API for a client in 4 hours. These are things that used to take days or weeks. This means you can test more ideas, you can move faster, you can beat your competition to market. They also improve the documentation features. Cursor can now read documentation and apply it to your code. So if you're using a new library or API, you just point Cursor to the docs and it figures out how to use it. No more spending hours reading documentation. The AI also got better at refactoring. I had this old messy code base from a project I started years ago. It worked, but it was ugly. I let Cursor refactor it. The code is now clean, well organized, way easier to work with. They also added better Git integration. Cursor can now help you with version control. It can write commit messages. It can explain what changed. It can even help you resolve merge conflicts. Now let's talk about the pricing. Cursor 2.0 is still $20 a month for the Pro plan. Same price as before, but you're getting way more value now. Think about that. A junior developer costs what, $50,000 a year? That's over $4,000 a month. Cursor is $20. So who should be using Cursor 2.0? Anyone who builds anything digital. If you're a developer, obvious choice. If you're an entrepreneur building your own products, you need this. If you're an agency owner who wants to move faster and charge more, you need this. Here's what I want you to do after watching this video. Go to cursor.sh and download it if you don't have it already. Upgrade to the Pro plan so you can use these new models. Then start a project, build something, test out Composer Agent Mode. One more thing before I wrap up. The combination of Cursor 2.0 and the right business knowledge is unstoppable. You can build tools, you can build products, you can build entire businesses, but you need to know how to turn those builds into money. That's where training comes in. If you want to make more money with AI, welcome to the free AI Money Lab with Julie and Goldie. Inside, you'll get 50 plus free AI tools and 200 plus ChatGPT SEO prompts. You'll learn how to make money with AI agents, get access to 1,000 plus free N8N workflows and 200 plus ChatGPT prompts, plus a full blueprint to generate thousands of leads free with AI. What you'll also get is a free AI community, free AI course, and proven AI case studies. The link is in the description. This is completely free. And it's going to show you exactly how to take tools like Cursor and turn them into profit. Cursor 2.0 is here, and it's the best coding tool I've ever used. If you're not using it yet, you're behind. If you are using it, update to 2.0 right now. Drop a comment below and let me know what you're going to build with Cursor 2.0. I read every single comment. And if you got value from this video, hit that like button and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Now go build something amazing.